Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I'm going to be doing another plus size try on haul. Now that we're in a new season, I am so ready to bring you guys all the clothing hauls because winter, it's even snowing outside right now. It's April. I just need warmth. So I'm going to sit here and do a spring try on haul pretending it's actually spring. The warm weather is coming though, and it's that transitional time where it's still a little bit chilly outside, but we're moving into warm weather. But I really just need some spring clothing. I need spring weather. So I have some really cute like spring dresses, some really cute wearable daily pieces. Even this sweater is so cute. I'll give you guys more details on that in a minute. But I have a bunch of new plus size spring items I'm gonna try on and chat with you about that I have been loving and I cannot wait to wear. I just got them in. I'm so excited to show you. As you guys have probably seen, I've really gotten into shopping at Macy's over the last maybe 6 months and I'm obsessed. I think I showed even in a vlog, I didn't even know that they had such a good plus size section, even in the store, not just online. So I was like, yes. There are so many amazing brands there, and when I went last time and I was shopping, I discovered a brand that I really liked. It's called New York Collection. They had so much cute stuff. I did some of it in the haul last winter, so last season, so now it's spring. So I really like their stuff and I'm definitely going to be purchasing more in the future, so you'll see more as the next seasons come. So today I want to show you some of the New York Collection pieces that I picked up from Macy's. Like I said, they have a great plus size selection, but I know a lot of you guys are like me and you might have like short legs or a short torso, shorter arms, but you're still plus size. They have plus size petite. Yes, that is so hard to find. So hard. So I was really excited when I discovered that New York Collection has plus size petite. So they have standard plus size petite. There's all sorts of stuff on there. It's actually really affordable as well. Really quality pieces. Like, this is stuff you will have for your life. I grabbed a lot of these pieces on sale as well, so I'll link everything down below for you if you want to shop. I already just love this sweater. The sweater hits at all the right places. It comes to like the perfect spot on my wrist. It's not too long, it's not too short. It's such a perfect fit and it's so cute. I just love it. I love the cold shoulder. I love the little bow at the top. This is adjustable as well. And I always think just like a classic white sweater is really beautiful, especially going into spring. Okay, Alex, enough blabbering. Let's get into the try on haul. Thank you so much to Macy's and ShopStyle for sponsoring this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so I already showed you this top, but I paired it with these really cute pair of trousers. These are so adorable. So what I like about them is that they have little bits of embroidery on them. They are nice and high-waisted. They come with a little tie at the top. These are some of my favorite pairs of pants to wear because you can wear them high-waisted. You can always throw them in with a crop top, tuck your shirt in, but you get that nice high-waisted fit that's really flattering and cute. I also have short legs and it comes to the perfect fit at my ankle. This is really trendy right now, especially for spring. All of these little bits of floral. So I know I'll get a lot of use out of these pants for every day, or you can dress them up, wear them to the office, wear them to an event. You know, you can wear them with heels or sneakers. Okay, so this dress I love very much. Like, look at the pattern. So it's got just like a nice checkered background, but then little pops of floral all over it. It's so cute. It's a really nice, comfortable maxi length because sometimes I'll get maxis and they will be dragging on the floor. It's the perfect length. It has a little ruffle detailing at the bottom. It's really cute. And then it has this overlay at the top. So it almost looks like a faux top and skirt together, but it's connected. The back comes up nice and high. I really like that it has a lot of coverage in the back. You know, it's very comfortable. Ooh, I just think it is so cute, so summery, so perfect for spring. Throw this on with like a denim jacket, some cute little espadrilles. I mean, this is adorable. How can you go wrong? I like how the straps are kind of thick too. It's very unique, really pretty. Okay, so as you can see, I love a good white blouse going into the warmer season. It's my favorite. This one is so boho and so cute. It's so like easy breezy. I just think this is so pretty. You could wear this with leggings or jeans. This would look so cute with jeans and some cute little wedges. Throw on some pretty jewelry. It's just like a staple piece and it somehow makes you look really put together even though it's just a basic blouse. This one's a little bit cooler because it has kind of a little bit of a high bell sleeve. It has the open shoulder. It's really cool. Pretty detailing down the front, like a low almost peplum flare out, but it's all loose. It's really comfortable. You can see the really pretty detailing. It's got kind of like a little lace embroidery, which gives it that really bohemian vibe. It's long enough as well. This is something for my long torso ladies. Like with a flowy top, you don't always want it to be too short. This fits really nicely. Everything from the collection fits really, really well and hits at the right spots. This is so adorable. So it's just really, really simple, but it's also really just kind of different. It has vertical striping down the shirt, but then the pockets go horizontal, so it's kind of spicy and fun. I really love the look of tucking one flap in. This is like really, really trendy lately, and I think this top's really perfect to do that. You could even tuck both in. I think that would look really cute as well. More than anything though, I just love the color and I love the oversized pockets. I think it's really unique, really pretty. Could be worn with a skirt, jeans, leggings, pretty much anything. And again, it is the perfect length. Because you know, these kind of shirts, you want them to kind of go down to like the top of the leg. You will see me rocking this all spring. Okay, so I may have saved the best for last. Get ready for the most majestic maxi dress of your life. Look at this majestic outfit. Oh, yes. I feel like a queen in this. This is amazing. So it has bell sleeves. It is so gorgeous. First of all, this color and pattern is so pretty. It's got kind of like a mustard base, but just tons of beautiful floral. Have a little gold accent. A little crisscross at the top, and then it comes into the cinched waist, which is super flattering. It's got that nice flowy material. It's very, very stretchy. You could wear this to so many things. A baby shower, a brunch, wear it to the store, I don't care. Wear it everywhere because it makes you feel so good when you put it on, and that's what clothing is all about. If you feel good in it, wear it wherever you want. I feel like this would even be beautiful for a spring or summer wedding. Throw on some wedges, even sandals. And I like that it has a little slit just on the left side, so you get a little bit of breathability, and it's just something a little more unique than just like a standard maxi dress, and I feel like it almost elevates it a little bit. Again, this is the absolute perfect length. It comes right to where it should. It's not dragging. It's not too short. Oh, I just love it so much. I'm gonna be wearing this to so many events, and I'm so excited about it. It's so comfortable. And that is all I have for today's haul video. Make sure you check everything out linked down below. Also, comment what your favorite piece was and where we should do a haul from next. I'm always curious what you guys want to see. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I love you very much, and I'll see you next time. Happy spring. Bye.